Something I just wanted to show was part one of my Zippo collection from 1998 to 2012. Starting with one that I got from a friend of mine, and it had a matching insert, but it didn't work regardless. And this is all that's on it. And then the next one on the list is a matte purple from April of '99, and this is just all it is. Doesn't work or anything, but it's cool. And this one is a March of 2000 college lighter, which originally came with a 70s insert, but now just resides with a electric insert. And now for my 2002 spot, my 2001 actually, is just a 2001 Walmart lighter that has just stuff about a 2002 Walmart grand opening. And then my 2002 spot is just one I found on eBay not too long ago. Is I guess a photo expo and computer show out of West New York. Still has the paper seal too. And then for my 2003 spot, which I bought two of, making this was an 02 by the listing, is just a really smooth 03 with a satin finish for Dale Earnhardt Jr. And then my 2004 spot is for the 50 years of the Ford Thunderbird, which isn't in the greatest of shape, but it's just one that I thought was cool since it got its use while I found it secondhand. And then for my 2005 spot, which is the first letter I got, and I have my first one here to show just mainly the difference between the two. And it was just, just a lighter that I thought looked cool when I first bought it. And now for my 2006 spot, which is a poker World Poker Tour Zippo that came with a playing card set, and just thought it was neat when I seen it on eBay. And then for my 2007 spot, which was originally had a pirate on here, I just super glued a Sears pin on it. Just wanted something different for the Zippo. And then my 2008 spot, which is I guess a skydiving Zippo inside of a Zippo. It's interesting, and just wanted something for the spot. And then my 2009 spot, which is something that I came across for the first time, a employee Zippo for perfect attendance for 3 years ending in 2008, which is an early 09 made Zippo with a 2008 insert. So just thought it was cool to find. And then my 2010 spot, which is which is a 5th annual Disabled American Veterans triathlon out of the Bradford area, which they refer to as Willows Creek. And this one was limited to 50 zippos, and this is number 6. And then my 2011 spot, which is just a jackpot one that I got from one of my coworkers who runs a smoke shop, and just thought it was cool. And then my 2012 spot, which is another Willows Creek triathlon for its 7th annual for disabled American veterans. And this is also limited to 50, and this is 34 out of 50 made. And that's all of them for part 1 of this.